Hey guys, so we are on our way to the market because we need a lot of things in the house, and we're also going to be preparing soup for dinner as well. So I'll be taking you all along with me, all right, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, bye. So I'm done with making the soup, and this is called ogbono soup. It's also known as draw soup here as well. You can eat this soup with any kind of swallow, pounded yam, fufu, plantain swallow. Any swallow actually goes well with it, and it looks really yummy and delicious. So it's the next day, and I'm actually preparing to step out. I and my sister, we are out of some of our skincare products, so we want to get to the mall, ShopRite Mall in Lugbe here in Abuja to get them. So when we get to the mall, we'll see you there. So I'm just doing my makeup, and I'm doing something very simple, more of an everyday makeup look, nothing serious at all. Fragrance is by Ted Baker. It smells so good, and this is the look of the day. So after getting the things that we needed, we decided to take a stroll around the mall, see other stores, what they have, what's going on. So just enjoy, yes, and look around with us. and I just want to quickly do a quick haul of the things that we got while at the mall. And this is the bag of it. So we got cotton pads, yeah, and then this toothpaste by Colgate, and then we also got Dove body wash. I love Dove body wash a lot, and this is jasmine petals and coconut milk, and it smells really nice. I love Dove body wash a lot, like I just cannot do without it. Yeah. Got tea tree. This is my favorite, like it's what I use back to back. This is tea tree facial wash. Yeah. Also this a body spray. Yeah, my sister actually got this, and it's nice, really nice. My face cream. Face cream is a challenge for me, and I've been struggling with acne for a long time, so I like to use the face cream recommended for me at the spa. But the issue is that when I finish using it and I go back to the spa to get the same face cream that works well for me, that I like, they don't have it. They just have something different. And then I had to try this something different that I got from the last time I went to the spa, and it didn't work. In fact, it didn't work. I just didn't like how it looked, you know. So that's how I had to locate this one now all by myself. I saw it in the supermarket, so I just, okay, let me just give it a try and see how it works. This one is No Marks with aloe vera, almond oil. This No Marks face cream helps to clear spots and work effectively on clearing under eye dark circle, sunburn spots, past pimple marks, and I have a lot of them, and then clear pimples, acne scars. I started using one of these. I saw that it worked, so I had to go get it so I don't, you know, run out of it and then I'll be stranded. I'll just show you the one I'm using right now. So this is the one that I'm using, and it's really nice, yeah. And then I had to get another one of it. Okay, so this is it. So this is the one I got to, you know, support this one. Yeah. And again, this face cream is not harsh at all. It's not harsh at all. I like the effect, and it actually makes my skin less oily. I like it so far. I also got vitamin C serum. This is really nice as well. Let me show you. Okay, so this is it. For brightening, moisturizing, and anti-acne, all types of skin, and it's super affordable. I think I got this one at 1.5, and then the face cream is 1.3. Yeah. And then my sister got this Dove bar soap as well. Also got hair clips. These are fancy. Yeah, so basically that's it for this haul, and it's quite late over here, almost 12 midnight. I'm so tired. I'm just going to retire now, and I'll see you the next day. Okay, so bye. So it's the next day, and I made fried yam and egg sauce for breakfast. I really do enjoy this a lot. Yes, and after breakfast I had to start getting ready. My brother wants to take us out, and later on you'll get to know where we are headed. And I always like a very simple makeup look, except maybe when there's a very serious function, then I'll just step it up. Yeah, but I just love to keep it simple. I love my Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil a lot. It keeps my skin healthy, it moisturizes it, and it glows up my skin. And it is made with pure cocoa butter body gel oil. I love the glow, as you can see, and I'm really very happy with it. It's one product that I cannot do without, and I'm almost out of it, and I need to go get it very fast. Hi guys, so today is Sunday, and we are out already. We are heading to Jabi Lake, okay, in Abuja. enjoy it with me. I'm here with my brother and my sister. Yeah. This is Jabi Lake, and I know you already caught a glimpse of it on our way here, and the lake is still further down. My brother was just saying that it's usually very busy during the Christmas period and even Easter period as well, that this time that we visited is, you know, quiet. I love the view here, the horses, the trees, and this Jabi Lake was commissioned May 7th, 2007, though it lacks proper maintenance, but other than that, it's still a nice place to visit. This is just one side to the lake. There are different sides to the lake, which you will see much later. Also, people do go on boat rides here, and there are also hotels within the premises as well, and people also use this place too for picnics. Also, there are a lot of horses here, and you get to ride on a horse, and it's just to pay a little token, and this place is just a nice place to come and relax. And the weather was just so perfect, and I really loved this wooden bridge, and trust me, I took a lot of pictures. Guys, the atmosphere here is so serene, it's airy, the nature here, I love it. It's just a nice place. You know, it has not started raining yet, so when it starts raining now, you know, these grasses that look dry, they will start blooming again. Everywhere will be, you know, evergreen, beautiful. It's just a nice place to come and chill with your family members, your friends, loved ones, colleagues. You have picnics here, celebrate your birthdays here, anniversaries. It's just beautiful here. I'm just enjoying my stay in Abuja. Now look at the lake. I don't know if you can see it. It's such a gorgeous view. Hi. And this is the brew. Wow. So beautiful. I love it. So this is an open space, and the hotels are over there alongside the car park, and this is another side to the lake as well. Beautiful landscape, I love it. Also, there are people who sell different things within the premises as well. We are here at the Jabi Lake Mall. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. This mall is not far from the lake, so it's Jabi Lake Mall. And like I said, the lake has different sides to it, and this mall is just one of it. A lot is going on in this mall. The mall is big, and the designer stores are here, as you can see. MAC Cosmetics, beauty supply store. You know, I don't want to talk too much, okay? Just see this beautiful mall with me. Yes, yes. Oh, there's a sit out. It's gorgeous. This is the view from the Jabi Lake Mall. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This is just a place to relax, you know, just cool off after a hard day's work. It's so calm here. It's so peaceful, really. So peaceful. So I saw this artist. He was doing a sketch of a little boy, and the boy's mom was actually there, and she wanted him to sketch her son. It was really beautiful. And that day was Mother's Day, and I think the mall actually did, you know, a little something. As you can see, Happy Mother's Day. It was really nice, very beautiful. So we had to check out ShopRite. It's also in the mall, and then we had to pick up, you know, a few things. So this is a sit out just facing the lake, and it was already getting dark, and the view is beautiful at night. And you know, they have live band just playing soft music, jazz music as well. It's so beautiful. Restaurants here too. Nice. I love the ambience. Just look at it. It's gorgeous. So this is what the mall looks like at night, and it was time for us to go home, and I enjoyed every bit of this outing. So guys, it's the next day. I couldn't vlog again when I got back home because I was tired, and our stay in Abuja has actually come to an end, and we'll be going back the next day. And my sister will be going back to school from Abuja, and she just wanted me to do a short box braid, which is what I did for her, and she really loved it. So yes, and see you again on my way back home. Okay, so I'll be traveling alone and my sister will be traveling alone to school. Okay, that's it. Show my people what I buy for local job. Oh yeah, that. Yes, thank you. All right. We stopped briefly at Lokoja. They always stop here. When we're coming, we also stopped here. It's a time to just take a break from the journey and, you know, stretch our legs. And they sell a lot of things here and also very cheap as well. So you buy whatever you want to buy. And this place is actually a site, and I'll get to show you around. So I had bought the things I needed to buy. So just going to walk around and see the place. So this is what it looks like. You also sell fried yam, plantain, they sell suya, and you saw the onions and the kilishi, and you can see that even more vehicles are coming in. They also have restaurants here as well, and they sell snacks too. So I had to buy snacks because I was hungry, and then it was time to continue the journey. Hey guys, so I made it back home and I'm so happy to be back. So I'm home now in Asaba. It was for safe arrival. It was a smooth journey. Yes, my sister went back to school from Abuja, so I'm home alone at the moment. But quickly, I just want to show you all some of the things that I got on my way back home, and I know you saw some of them earlier in the video where we stopped at Lokoja, and so, you know, take a break from the journey, just rest, eat, you know, and then continue it. So let me just show you. Yeah, and I got onions. Yes, you know, any opportunity that I get to buy things cheaper somewhere else, I like to just jump at it because things are quite expensive here in Asaba. And this is not even all the onions that I got. You know, you saw it in the basket earlier, and that basket, all of it, those onions that you saw in that basket, all of it was 1,100. Can you imagine? It's so cheap, and I'm happy. Look at it, this is really good, right? I love this. Yes. And I also got honey. You know, I always like to have honey. I don't like to be out of honey at all because I use it for a lot of things. I got this one for 1,500 naira, really cheap, and it's a nice honey. And I like to use honey for my smoothies a lot. I use honey for my oats, my custard, and even pancakes as well, and I use it for skincare. Very important, so I'm really happy that I got this. Yes. Lastly, I got kilishi. Yes, I love kilishi a lot. This is really nice. I don't know how I'm going to explain it for you to understand, but basically I got kilishi. Yes, for those of you who know, you know. Yeah, is it dried meat and then it's spiced really nicely. Now just like maybe you know suya, but this is not really suya. It is called kilishi. I don't know how else I'm really gonna explain it, but Please just try and understand. Yeah, so that's it. So that's all that I got, and I just want to, rest. But before I do that, I'm just gonna, do a little skincare just to cleanse my face and all of that. So I'm gonna be using this toner, and it's the Clarasil. It's the Rapid Action Clearing Toner. You can see it's almost finished, and I have my cotton pad here. So and it smells so good, so good. Ah, so good to be back home. So I miss my sister a lot. Yeah, and I also enjoyed my time and my stay in Abuja, the amazing places that I visited. It was just beautiful all the way. Yeah, it was just a beautiful experience for me. And after cleansing my face, I'm just going to go in with this vitamin C serum. I know you saw this earlier when I did the skincare haul when we got back from the mall. That was earlier. So I'm just going to take a little of it and place it on my palm, warm it up, and just dab it on my face and let it just sip in. I really like how this works for me. It really leaves my face bright and the spots are gradually fading away, and leaves it with a glow, and it's moisturized. I love it. And then I'm going to go in with my No Max face cream. You also saw this one too, and yeah, I'm just going to apply it. This is it. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub it in down to my neck. And then that's it. Really nice. Okay, and so that is it. So lastly, I'm going to apply this lip balm. I love this balm a lot. Yeah. And so that is it for my nighttime skincare routine, and I really enjoyed Abuja trip. It's not my first time visiting Abuja. I visited Abuja, that was around 2012 or thereabout, years ago, so it really felt good visiting again. Yeah, and so this is the end of the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Leave me your comments and let me know your favorite part of the vlog. I will be in the comment section. Okay, so please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, and I love you all greatly.